This is the SL19. This little light has so many applications out in the field. This is the first in a family of small little micro lights that can be used on deck posts, under benches, up in eaves, in so many small applications where we want to hide the luminaire and just have a really soft, beautiful light source. A couple things we did special on this. 97 CRI, it only uses about 0.87 watts, so it's very energy efficient, great light output. We put a frosted lens on it and really tucked the LED back into the luminaire so that we're hiding the light source as much as possible. While this is a newer product, lighting designers have come to me with so many different applications that they've incorporated this small little light into their lighting designs. The soft light output, the quality of light output truly sets it apart, and offering that 97 plus CRI with the frosted lens hides the light source but gives that beautiful even glow of light throughout the area that we're looking to light with the SL19. When you're ready to elevate your lighting designs and make your projects look more complete and whole, this little light can fill in those small gaps and provide that soft, beautiful, even lighting in really challenging situations. Try the SL19 on your next project, see what the light actually does, and you'll actually come up with so many applications. So I'm so excited to introduce this product line, and the response we've gotten from our customers has been overwhelming. It's been our most popular new product that we've had come out in the last 3 years. The SL19 is compact, it's elegant, it's reliable, and it performs amazingly. This represents who we are, and that's Sterling Lighting.